Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we are checking out what many consider the best USB 1GB flash drive pack on the market. The EASTBULL 50PCS 1GB bulk flash drives USB 2.0. If you're looking for a reliable, affordable way to handle bulk storage needs, this could be exactly what you need. Right out of the box, you get 50 flash drives, each with 1GB of storage capacity. These drives come with a sturdy metal swivel design that protects the USB connector when not in use, making them very durable and easy to carry around. They weigh just about half an ounce each, so they are lightweight and compact, perfect for handing out in bulk for schools, companies, weddings, or as promotional business gifts. One of the highlights of these USB drives is their build quality. EASTBULL uses high-quality A+ chips inside, which provide faster and more stable performance compared to some budget flash drives. Each unit undergoes strict double testing to ensure quality control, so you won't be dealing with faulty drives or sudden failures after purchase. In terms of compatibility, these USB drives are plug-and-play, meaning no additional software installation is necessary. They work seamlessly with nearly any device that has a USB slot, including computers, laptops, cameras, televisions, car audio systems, and even music players. This broad compatibility makes them versatile for many different use cases. The drives operate with USB 2.0 technology, delivering up to 20 megabytes per second read speed and write speeds up to 60 megabytes per second. While USB 3.0 drives might be faster, USB 2.0 is still widely supported and provides solid performance for everyday file transfers and backups. For basic storage needs, especially with 1GB capacity, this speed is sufficient. Physically, each drive measures roughly 2.2 inches by 0.79 inches by 0.39 inches, making them small enough to fit easily on a keychain or in a pocket. The metal casing is robust enough to withstand frequent handling and protects against everyday wear and tear. Plus, they come in black with a professional, simple look. An important thing to note is the actual usable storage may show slightly less than 1GB on your device. This is normal because computers calculate storage using binary units, while manufacturers advertise based on decimal units. So, don't be surprised if your system reports slightly lower capacity. EASTBULL also offers a 90-day return policy and lifetime customer support, which adds peace of mind to your purchase. Whether you need these drives for business distribution, school projects, or personal use, the combination of quantity, build quality, and compatibility makes this a strong contender in the bulk USB market. To summarize, the EASTBULL 50PCS 1GB bulk flash drives offer great value with reliable performance, durable metal swivel design, and broad device compatibility. If you're after a cost-effective solution for distributing flash drives in bulk without sacrificing quality, this is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you want more detailed tech reviews and product insights, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you next time.